How to duplicate Google Tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate tasks on Google Tasks. So to get started, go ahead and open Google into your preferred browser and then sign in to your Google account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and click on this app icon at the top right of your screen. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the apps that you can access and use as a Google account user. So scroll down until you reach the bottom and then click on tasks from here, and that will take you in this section. So basically, Google Tasks has no direct option to duplicate tasks, but what you can do is to go ahead and select a task that you want to duplicate and then go ahead and copy that task. So go ahead and hover your mouse into the task that you want to duplicate. So as you can see, if you click on this three dots at the right side of that task, there's no option for you to find to duplicate it. But what you can do instead is to go ahead and copy it directly. So even on the list settings, there's no option for you to duplicate tasks. So you need to copy on it and then go ahead and click on the add a task button, which you'll find at the top of each of the lists. Then paste the task that you've copied. So that is how you can basically duplicate tasks on Google Tasks. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.